In today's business landscape, power reliability is non-negotiable. Whether you operate a hospital, data center, manufacturing plant, or commercial facility, an unexpected power outage can bring operations to a halt, resulting in lost revenue, compromised safety, and operational inefficiencies. That's why businesses turn to Weld Power for top-tier generator sales, automatic transfer switch solutions, and comprehensive turnkey project management services. When it comes to investing in a commercial or industrial generator, it's not just about purchasing equipment, it's about securing a reliable power solution tailored to your specific needs. Unlike many generator companies, we are not tied to a single manufacturer. Weld Power partners with multiple companies to provide a wide selection of high-quality generators. This ensures that we can offer options that align with your operational requirements, budget, and desired warranties. Our team of professionals will help you select the right generator size, fuel type, and configuration for your facility. From site assessment to installation and startup, we handle every step of the process. Whether you need a new ATS or are looking to replace an existing one, Weld Power offers a variety of options to meet your business's specific requirements. Our team will help determine the best ATS for your generator setup and power demand. We offer ATS solutions from trusted manufacturers, ensuring long-term reliability and performance. We ensure that your ATS is properly installed and fully operational with your generator system. Managing the procurement, installation, and startup of a backup power system is complex. Weld Power simplifies the process with our Turnkey Project Management services, handling everything from start to finish so you can focus on running your business. We evaluate your power needs and recommend the best generator and ATS solution. We have an extensive and trusted team of electricians, plumbers, riggers, and landscapers to ensure a smooth installation process, ensuring seamless integration with your facility. Choosing Weld Power means partnering with a company that prioritizes reliability, expertise, and customer satisfaction. With decades of experience in the power generation industry, we understand the unique needs of various industries. We tailor our solutions to meet your business' specific power needs, budget, and long-term goals. Power outages don't wait for business hours, and neither do we. Our team is available around the clock to support your critical power needs. Weld Power is a full-service provider, so we will be there for any future maintenance or repairs that you may need in the future to keep your power system running optimally. Investing in reliable backup power is essential for business continuity and operational security. Whether you need a new generator, an ATS, or a fully managed turnkey solution, Weld Power is ready to provide expert guidance and unmatched service. Contact us today to discuss your project and secure the best power solution for your business.